All right. Hey, everybody. This is Amanda Bridges. This is video number 36, yay me, of my tools in my toolbox that I have been using and enjoying to keep my mind off of my medical issue that I don't claim at all. I say I was diagnosed with it. I don't say I have, blah, blah, blah. So where I'm sitting is my tool in my toolbox for number 36. I am on my front porch. Now let me see if I can switch it around. There we go. There's my dog. There's some flags I have on my porch and some wasp spray, LOL. But here is my porch, and I love sitting out here. I actually sat out here last night while it was raining. It had just kind of stopped raining, but I was still hearing the rain dripping off the trees. And I was thinking to myself, yep, this is my tool number 36 in my toolbox, sitting on my front porch. I love sitting on my front porch. And I cleaned up the yard the other day by myself, which was awesome. So I can see how my yard doesn't have leaves completely all over it. LOL. There's a downed tree from the hurricane, and there's another downed tree that we haven't been able to get somebody to come and there's my dog attached to the porch. LOL. But that's my view at this moment. And I love sitting out here. Doesn't matter if it's thundering and lightning and the wind's blowing and it's 5 degrees out here or it's 95 degrees out here. I love being out here on my front porch. So this is my tool number 36 in my tools in my toolbox that I'm so proud of myself. I have literally made now 36 videos and put myself on social media, and I'm not scared to do a Facebook Live. So hope everybody has a good Christmas. I am choosing to think victorious thoughts instead of victim thoughts today on Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness. Christmas Eve day. And I'm going to get to spend time today and go out to lunch with my husband. And you see I'm all Christmased up. LOL. I look like Christmas exploded all over me, which I love. Anyway, hopefully everybody has a good Christmas Eve day and good Christmas Day and the rest of the week. And I'll be back next week for my video number 37 of my tools in my toolbox. Thank you, everybody who have watched these videos. I sure appreciate it, and I hope it's helped somebody because it sure has helped me. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. Okie dokie. Thanks. Bye.